Can any workshop join the Mechanic.com.au Evolve program?
Look, Jason, it's really important to us that we have high quality workshops on our platform. If we're going into the marketplace and saying the cheap ones are cheap for a reason, you should be focusing on value and not price, it's important that the workshops that are on our platform actually are congruent with that message. So we do have eligibility criteria. So first is code of conduct. So in terms of how you operate your business, the standard of equipment that you have, the quality of parts you use, they're all things that workshops need to meet in terms of the criteria for the platform. There's a training criteria. So, our belief is that you never stop learning and you need to continue to invest in training in a technical capacity and business. And wherever you get that from, we can't get enough of it, but we need to see that workshops are actually staying current because, I've been off the tools now myself for 4 or 5 years and I'd struggle to go back into a workshop. So education is important and it's a criteria that workshops need to meet. And finally, there's some criteria around the Google business profile. So we want to see that workshops are able to conduct themselves and have made some initiative with their digital presence, that they've got reviews from customers, that they've actually been able to maintain a digital presence. And look, there's a lot of great workshops out there that haven't hit that bar yet, that will be a good candidate for the Evolve program.
Okay.
And we'll help them get to that stage if they need to be able to level up to meet that criteria. But that criteria is there for a reason, and that's because we want high quality aftermarket workshops.
Okay.